What is it? Oh, look at that.
We found them.
There they are.
And I was deadly lost. I tell you, I've been. It's too long a story. It's been difficult to get here. Let's put it that way.
So we have Chill Bill with us and Cy Fines.
How you doing, boys? All right.
We're going to take them underground.
That one was too small.
Too small for my vast cranium.
Through that hedge.
We've lost them. Where are they?
I can hear them.
You've got to make the most of the comedy moments.
There he is.
I'll be giving them.
Please go and check out Chill Bill's YouTube channel. He does a lot of metal detecting and finds some cool stuff. Please give him some support. Nearly there.
We have here one of the shot holes, and you can see exactly how they were done, because if this was the end of the level at the time, the miners drilled about 3 feet in, they packed the gunpowder right at the end of the hole and then block it up with clay called stemming. And the stemming is all still in the hole, blocked up, and the gunpowder blasted out sideways. So this is where the gunpowder was, and this half of the hole, which didn't have any gunpowder, is still intact.
Right.
So this is the result of that blast. It's come bang out sideways like that.
Cool, so there's probably still clay stuck in
And
there.
it's all still in there. Yeah, that would have been pushed in there by a miner about 150 years ago.
Wow.
How about that?
Oh my goodness. That is mad. What is it? Chill Bill, come and look at this. I'm coming.
Look at that.
Okay, hold on.
That's incredible, man.
We actually discovered 2 more in this area. So we've more than doubled the amount of surviving underground water wheels that are known to exist in Wales. This one is much better known. It's about 140 years old. If it still worked, we wouldn't need the ROV, because it was built to pump the workings below where we are that we're going to send the ROV down into.
So Owl is getting his submarine drone out, because the submarine drone's going to go down here 70 feet and have a look what's at the bottom of this mine.
Oh, that didn't sound good.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, me.
It's like a shark. That is cool.
Off you go, E.T. Awesome.
There you go. Here we go.
Okay, down we go. Onwards and downwards.
Onwards and downwards. Yeah. Look at that.
Okay. There's the rising main. We'll follow that.
Oh, look at that.
Ah, there's the wheel that used to be up here. Someone's chucked it down the shaft.
Or it's collapsed through the wood.
Yeah, one or the other. That used to be up here.
Let's go down with it.
Yeah, there it is. So that's the dolly wheel that would have been up the top here for feeding the wire rope.
Isn't it cool? That's what we can see down there. The remains of this. Now we're going to go through there.
And down there, we should hit the level.
That's the level.
That's it. Brilliant. Goes both ways. Yeah, that's what I remember. I remember seeing the bottom of the ladders, and there's that weird halocline, remember?
There it is, one of the ladders. Let's go into the level.
Yeah.
We're in the level.
Hey, look at the rails.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh.
We're on the track. Just keep going as fast
It's a nice
as it'll
square
go.
level.
It is, isn't it? Yeah.
And the wall smooth. It's the furthest we've been in here now.
Yeah.
We have no
Don't worry about the side passages. Let's just keep the momentum going in case it sticks again.
I can make out tracks in the hail.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. It's coming up, isn't it? Because the level's climbing.
Mm. How much cable have we got?
Good.
This might take us to the carts.
Well, that's what I'm hoping. What's that in the roof? Oh, no, just a white
Nothing,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm hoping this might take us to the main
7 degrees
shaft.
the water is.
7 degrees.
Mm.
Ooh, what's that? Is that a wagon?
It is.
Oh, look at that! It's standing on the rails. Wow. Okay,
Look.
pause it right there. Pause
Look
it
at
right
that.
there. Wow. Can you reverse a teeny bit?
Yeah.
Wow. A wagon sat on the rails under the water.
That's amazing.
Gee, so there's 2 of them down there. There's 2 wagons on the railway down there.
Yeah. You sure that's
Wow.
not the one we found?
Well, let's find out. Yeah, it was at a junction, the other one. I don't think it is, because we came to it from the other
There's
side.
a junction there, then.
It was on the other side. We'll compare the videos. I don't think it is, no.
This is going to be a tricky one to manoeuvre over.
Can we go over it? Or?
I'm giving it a go because it's quite close to the ceiling.
Yeah. Oh, that's all right. Yes.
I'm thinking it.
No. That level, straight.
Trying.
There we go. Down a little bit.
Look at the gypsums.
Yeah, all on the roof. Let's keep going. They're gonna go.
To a pot of gold. That's where it's going to go.
You can see the floor a bit clearer now as well.
Yeah.
It's getting a lot better.
We've got a lot of cable out now.
Yeah.
Oh, 150 metres, I reckon. Some timbers here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Cable's tangled.
Can you get a little bit closer?
Looks like a collapse. to
Yeah,
me.
it does, doesn't it? Yeah.
We're heading out. It's difficult.
Fantastic piloting. There it is.
Goes all directions.
That's awesome, isn't it? Superb.
Have you found anything interesting in there?
Some nice little formations. Nothing.
Some lovely colours in the walls.
Yeah, lots of ochre on the floor in particular.
There's a pile of timbers here, look.
It's all bending down, isn't there?
Yeah, it's a very old mine. This is older than the last one, which is why it's smaller. Good echo though.
Look at this really old golden one, the crisp bracket. Not from the miners, but probably from the 80s.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So this level's about half a mile long. And we've got a fair bit to go yet. And we're going to go that way to see the real good stuff.
It starts getting bigger now as well, because that first bit was driven in the 1770s. This is a little bit later, so they made a bit more room. Oh, nice.
So you know we found that really cool big golden waterfall.
Yes.
This is a mini version.
It's the beginner's version.
It's the beginners, yes.
That's lovely. A nice little Gower pool right there. Iron.
Bit of a collapse there.
Yeah, we're in the soft ground again. It's all kind of crumbled down from the ceiling here. The fluff end. They've even propped it up with this stone pillar here.
They have. Oh, look at that, yeah.
Oh look, it's all cracking and splitting.
Look how they've done that side. They've built a wall to hold the roof up.
Oh yeah. And the roof is...
Yeah, look at it. You were asking earlier about collapses.
Yeah.
You know, I got stuck in one once.
Really?
Yeah. It was very scary.
I bet. Did you have to dig yourself out?
I sort of wiggled my way out of it.
Oh, God.
It collapsed round me. I was going through a really narrow hole,
Yeah.
and the spoiling followed me. Now that's a cool artifact if there was one.
See, they've got hobnail boot prints underneath it. The
Yes.
last miners set it down.
Oh look! Look at that. You see that? Sorry?
Yeah, what are they?
The miners' boot prints, hobnail boots.
Oh.
Look at all these minerals. Look at all that copper there. Wow. Bit of copper.
Nice. So they were taking this out in chunks and then crushed it up and smelted it,
In
right?
that, yeah. They would have pushed that barrow. Well, this one worked on this level. There would have been more barrows down there. We don't get why at such a long level they didn't use carts.
It's weird, and it's the same company that ran the mine on the other side of the hill. They were the same, they were notorious. I think they were just tight. They didn't want to spend money on laying tramways and buying all the rails and all that.
Yeah.
Labour was cheap, so they just got the miners to push it all the way out in wheelbarrows.
Quite an expensive process, I suppose.
Very time-consuming and laborious.
Check out Cy Fine's channel. It's a very good channel. He finds some amazing things on the Thames.
Thank you.
Now you're having the time of your life underground. Hopefully you are.
I am, loving it. Yeah, no, this copper might have gone to make some of the coinage that I find in the Thames and around
For
that
sure,
site.
yeah.
Possible.
Quite possible, yeah.
This lovely rib of copper in this boulder right here.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Going to see some really cool stuff?
Always.
Let's go. Down here. Wow. Tallow candles everywhere.
You found the
Yeah, they are.
candle corner.
Look at these. Ain't they beautiful? And look, this one's special. It has the finger or thumb, the print.
Yeah.
There's three of them together here, look.
Oh, they're tiny, aren't they?
Yeah. Tiny little
Zoom
tallow
in on
candles.
that. You can actually see the fingerprints, see it there?
Do you think they'll still light?
Too damp, I would have thought. Probably made out of sheep fat or pig fat or something like that. Locally made by the miners, some of them.
Sorry. What do you reckon, eh?
It's amazing. Yeah, still here after all these years.
I wonder how old that fingerprint is.
Well, the mine closed around 1900, so it's not going to be any later than 1900. So it's still well over 120 years at the very latest.
And we always find, when we find tallow candles, they're always on one side.
Oh, really? Probably to
Always.
enhance the lighting.
But these have never been lit. Well, they might have been briefly lit. There's no burn marks above them.
they're around, aren't they?
If I find a decent hobnail boot from the Thames, I can send it to you if you want.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
With the hobnails and stuff on it.
Yeah, brilliant.
I'll keep an eye out for that.
We'll stick it in the museum.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sometimes we just don't pick them up because what do you do with them? You know?
Wow. Look at this lovely quartz. Nice. See it? Is this zinc, Ioan? That's not zinc, is it?
I think it's just iron. Yeah, it's
It's
not.
iron,
it's
yeah.
not hard enough. Dense.
not, is it? 'Cause
to
it's-
think.
It's not
Iron
very good
oxide,
rock
I
in here, is it? It's very soft.
Yeah. They're completely quiet. There's no water dripping or anything.
Yeah, it's like spooky silent.
And no echo at all because of all the loose rubble on the floor. There's no echo.
Doesn't bounce back.
No. Wow.
Maybe a 360 here.
It's wonderful quartz here. Look at that. Wow. It's a lovely piece.
That's beautiful, isn't it? It's like crystal. What to do?
What's down there?
They're down here.
Oh, I'm not going through there. I thought there was more cool stuff in here. Oh, it is. It's down that huge, through that horrible crawl.
Oh yeah, through the filthy crawl. Yeah, yeah.
And down the big
The
spoiler.
nesting though, the wheelbarrow. Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Oh, the tallow candles are cool. Did you enjoy that?
That was fucking fantastic. Yes, it's brilliant. I loved it. It's so cool. Almost swore there out of excitement. Yeah, just see those thumbprints as well on the clay.
Amazing.
And the footprints, just it's like they left, last year.
Yeah. Yeah, when you think they've been there for 120 odd years.
I know. It's
There's
so well
one right
preserved.
here. There's one that doesn't even have any.
What's that?
There's another heel right there.
Oh look, just all over the place.
Anyway, we're going to head out now, and we're going to explore a gold mine next.
There you go. I'm going to leave a Sci-Fi's footprint on a patch that hasn't ever.
It hasn't been touched.
There you go. Look at that. Yeah. I'll write my name in it.
That's it.
Sci.
Go and check out Sci-Fi's channel
24.
and check out Chill Bill as well. We'll put the links in the description.
Yeah, go and check us out. We find all sorts of stuff on the Thames, and I'm going to find these boys their own hobnail boot and send it to you.
Yeah.
Could have been made up this way and sent down to London.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And thank you very much and all the best to you.
Ciao for now.